What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing, definition, examples, and how to get started. Welcome to my channel Smart Job Consult. Educating, uplifting, upgrading, and inspiring. Listen to this quote. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. This powerful quote has become my theme. Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. What to consider? Affiliate marketing is a marketing scheme in which a company compensates partners for business created from the affiliate's marketing tactics. Digital marketing, analytics, and cookies have made affiliate marketing a billion-dollar industry. Firms typically pay affiliates per sale and less frequently by clicks or impressions. The three main types of affiliate marketing are unattached affiliate marketing, involved affiliate marketing, and related affiliate marketing. Understanding affiliate marketing. The internet has increased the prominence of affiliate marketing. Alibaba, AliExpress, Amazon, and many others have popularized the practice by creating an affiliate marketing program whereby websites and bloggers put links to their pages for a reviewed or discussed product to receive advertising fees when a purchase is made. In this sense, affiliate marketing is essentially a pay-for-performance marketing program where the act of selling is outsourced across a vast network. I am an affiliate marketer also. Affiliate marketing predates the internet, but in the world of digital marketing, analytics, and cookies made it a billion-dollar industry. A company running an affiliate marketing program can track the links that bring in leads and through internal analytics see how many convert to sales. An e-commerce merchant wanting to reach a wider base of internet users and shoppers may hire an affiliate. An affiliate could be the owner of multiple websites or email marketing lists. The more websites or email lists that an affiliate has, the wider its network. The hired affiliate then communicates and promotes the products offered on the e-commerce platform, such as smartjobcreations.com, to their network. The affiliate does this by running banner ads, text ads, posting links on its websites, or sending emails to clientele. Firms use advertisements in the form of articles, videos, and images to draw an audience's attention to a service or product. Put an image with link. Visitors who click the ads or links are redirected to the e-commerce site. If they purchase the product or service, the e-commerce merchant credits the affiliate's account with the agreed-upon commission, which could be 5% to 10% of the sales price. That is how I live. If you buy what you want through my links, I earn a commission. So I kindly encourage you to buy through my site so that I will be able to live as well as make it easier for you as well. According to Business Insider, 15% of e-commerce revenue can be attributed to affiliate marketing. Special considerations. The goal of this model is to increase sales and create a win-win solution for both merchant and affiliate. The system is unique and profitable and becoming increasingly popular. The internet and improving technologies are making the model easier to implement. Companies have improved how they track and pay commissions on qualified leads. Being better able to track leads and sales contributes to how they can improve or better position their products. Those interested in pursuing affiliate marketing will benefit from understanding what's involved, as well as its advantages and disadvantages. Companies seeking affiliates will benefit from properly vetting and qualifying their partners. Overall, it is a low-cost, effective way of advertising products and services, increasing brand awareness, and expanding a consumer base. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. But what exactly does this mean, and how does it work? How does affiliate marketing work? In affiliate marketing, an affiliate promotes a product or service to potential customers in exchange for a commission on any sales generated through their referral. This is typically done through unique tracking links provided by the business to track the affiliate's performance. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing offers a win-win situation for both the business and the affiliate. Businesses can expand their reach and increase sales without upfront costs for marketing, while affiliates can earn passive income by promoting products or services they believe in. What are the different types of affiliate marketing? There are various types of affiliate marketing models, including pay-per-sale, pay-per-click, and pay-per-lead. Pay-per-sale is the most common model, where affiliates earn a commission for each sale made through their referral link. How can you get started with affiliate marketing? If you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer, you can start by joining affiliate programs offered by businesses in your niche. Choose products or services that align with your audience and create valuable content to promote them effectively. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy that can help businesses increase sales and brand awareness while providing affiliates with an opportunity to monetize their online presence. By understanding how affiliate marketing works and leveraging it effectively, both businesses and affiliates can benefit from this mutually beneficial relationship. If you don't know how to develop your own website, you can find someone who knows or hire an expert to help you. Learn more here. I hope this video has been beneficial. To receive more information on affiliate marketing and any other exclusive information, good for entrepreneurs like you, subscribe to my channel, Smart Job Consult. Be the first to receive such information and updates on current trends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.